So, hi team, good morning everyone.
Yeah.
Sitting in yesterday's session, we discussed some pseudo columns are started. In that pseudo columns, we completed UID, user, sysdate, sys, timestamp. Now row ID. Row ID. These are yesterday we discussed. The row ID, the last query, write a query to delete duplicate records from the table. How to delete duplicate records from the table? That query yesterday we completed, guys. Next one is write a query to display duplicate records. The above query just delete duplicate records. Now we want to display. Means what are the duplicate records are there inside the table? Those records to display. How to display? This is a database table. Inside the table, we have two duplicate records are there. This one and this one. I want to display those records. See, guys. Yesterday, what here we can do? Yesterday, just we are deleting the records. Data. We delete the records. Right? Which record you deleted? Duplicate records are deleted. So instead of delete, select enough. Enough place. Select start from EMPDB, where row is not in this one. So it displays duplicate records. Observe this 1, 3. Both are displays. This is the query to write to display duplicate records from the table. Means which records you are deleting. Those records here I'm displaying. Enough. That's why instead of delete, simply you can place select star. That is enough. Right, guys. These are some examples of row ID. Okay. So the next pseudo column is row num. What next pseudo column? Row num is the next pseudo column. Row. What is the row num? Row number or row identification number. We can row number or row identification number. Okay. So first of all, it is a unique value. It is an unique value first of all. It is a unique value. And how the ronums are generated? Ronums are generated at the time of selecting data, or else based on select statement output. Based on select statement output, row nums are generated. Based on the select statement output. Suppose I write one select statement, that statement returns 5 records. Row num generates 1 to 5. Suppose the statement returns 20 records, 1 to 20, just like coding. Based on select statement output, row nums are generated. Based on the select statement output, the row nums are generated. Okay. Next one. Row nums are not stored in database permanently. Row nums are not stored, guys. Row nums are not stored in database. Because row nums are generated outside of the database. Row nums are generated outside of the database. It is generated, guys. That is okay. So that's why row nums are not stored in database permanently. Next one, row nums returns position of record. Row num returns position of record. Right. After selected data from database, based on select statement output, row nums are generated. After selected data from database, based on the select statement output, row nums are generated. Next one, on row num pseudo columns, on row num pseudo columns, greater than or equal to, these are not supported. These are not supported. If you want to write these operators by using row num pseudo column, equal to not supported, greater than or equal to, these are not supported. Less than or equal to supported. Okay. Next one. These are not supported, guys. See an example. Select row num comma emp dot stop, or else select employee number, e-name, job, salary, DEPT number from emp. Yeah. Okay, now I run a where class. Right now here, above example, the table returns 14 records, row number generates 1 to 14. Now here returns 20. 1 to. So see this example, I discussed earlier, row numbers are generated dynamically. It is a dynamic value. It is a dynamic value. Why it is dynamic value means? Here in this example, Smith row number is 1. Okay. What about Jones row number? 4. Na? Below example, Smith row number is 1, but Jones row number is 2. Here, Archana row number is 8 here. Above example, but right now it becomes 3. Okay. So row number is generated dynamically, sir. How to generate dynamically? Based on this output. Means first data is selected from database, from employee table who are working in the department or 20 department. All employees are selected first. In employee table, who are working 20 department, all employees are selected. After selected, how many records are selected? 5 records, na? Based on the record, based on the number of records, the corresponding row numbers are generated 1 to 5. This is guys. Okay. This is the example. That's why row number is a dynamic value. That's why here after selected data from database, based on the selection output, row numbers are generated. That's why row numbers are generated outside of the table. Outside of the table, row numbers are generated. Right. By using row numbers, what are the queries you try to discuss? No. Write a query to display first two records from the table. Write a query to display first two records from the table. First two records from the table. So select start from EMP where ename equal to Smith and Jones. Where ename equal to Smith and Allen. Can I write? Where ename in Smith comma Allen. It displays first two records, na? But again, in database table, records are not a constant. Now the Smith becomes first. After a few days, maybe it is changed. After 2 days, it is changed, guys. Then what we can do? So select start EMP where row num less than or equal to 2. Less than or equal to 2. First two records are discussed. On row num pseudo column greater than or equal to not supported. Less than supported. Less than or equal to both are supported. Here I write down where row num less than or equal to 2. First two records are discussed. Now here in this example, we are not comparing with the data. We are not comparing with the data. We are comparing row number only. That's why first two records, what it may be, those records are displayed automatically by using row number less than or equal to 2. So the next one is write a query to display last two records. From the write a query to display last two records from the table. write a query to display last two records from the table. How to display last two records? These two records. How to display last two records? Can I write where Ronam greater than or equal to 14? 13? No. Over select because greater than not supported. But how to display last two records? See, before going to this query, we discuss one operator that is minus. What does mean minus? It is one of the set operator. We know set operators in starting sessions we discussed union, all, union, intersect, minus. These are four are set operators, guys. Union, all, union, intersect, and minus. Right. What is minus operator main functionality? Set operators main functionality, first of all, set operators are used to join outputs of select statements. This is the main functionality of set operators. Set operators are used to join outputs of select statements. Suppose here I write on select statement. I wrote another statement, I write it. This is one statement, this is another statement. Both outputs I want to join. Both outputs I want to join. If you want to join these outputs, then set operators we can use. Okay. So minus is one of the set operator. Minus operator use it to minus operator use it to. It displays unmatched records from query 1 compared to query 2. Minus operator use it to it displays unmatched records from query 1 compared to query 2. That is. Right, guys, how it is. Suppose in normal, we have one set, guys. In the set we have in B set. I want to A minus B. What is the output of A minus B? 1 comma 5. Because it displays unmatched elements from set 1 compared to set 2. 1 is unmatched record, right? Yes. 2 is there, 3 is there, 5 is not there. This 4 not displayed case. Only unmatched records from set 1 only. Not set 2. Okay. Right. Example, guys. We want to last two records. No? Last two records means first here I selected Sarah start from M. Means total all records are selected. RS Ronam comma EMP dot star in employee table all records from. Okay. This one record. There. We Ronam less than or equal to 13. 12. Okay. For the first query returns total number of records. Second query returns first 12 records. Observe this first 12 records from this table, from this output, same or not? Yes. Which are unmatched records? 13, 14. How it is? Now see here. Minus last two records. Okay, 14 records minus 12 records. 14 records minus 12 records. This is. Right guys. This is minus operator. Okay. Last two records are displacement. But here you have some doubt. Sir, okay, fine, here last two records are displaced. Suppose my table contains 50 records, sir, 50 records. I won't display last two records. How to write? Table contains 50 records. I want to last two records. Then can I write here 48? Yes. Or we change each and every time here 48 or 78, 70, 90. Right or wrong? It is a static curve. Right or wrong? It is a static, guys. It is a static query. Because each and every time you should be changed here. In this scenario, note. If the above query is a static query, sir, because if the table contains 14 rows, then displays last two records. To display output dynamically, see guys. This is important. But I don't know exactly inside the employee table how many records are. I don't know exactly. So where row num less than or equal to. How many records? This is guys. First subtractance how much? 14 records. Row num less than or equal to 14. If the employee table contains 50 records, then 50 records are displayed. Okay. How many records we have? That number of records displays. Now, second query minus 2. Count star minus 2. Count it is already 14. 14 minus 2, 13. Sorry, 12. 14 minus 2, 12. Where row num less than or equal to 12. Matched or not? Yes. Suppose if the employee table contains 50 records, here first 50 record displays minus 50 minus 2, 48. 50 minus 2, 48, na? Yes, 50 records minus 48 records. Right or wrong? Now it is a dynamic. This is a dynamic query, guys. This is the dynamic. Understand, guys? Any doubts in this? Because this is an important query, guys. By using this query, so in this, by using this logic, we can display bank mini statement also we can generate. Bank mini statement. Okay, how it is we discuss one by one, guys. Okay, right. This is the last 2 record. I want to display last 5 records. Then here. Last 5 transactions. Mini statement means last 5 transactions, na? Or 10 transactions. Then how to write? Select star from bank underscore transaction, where row num less than or equal to. Select count of star from bank underscore transaction, where the account number equal to SBI1. Subperiod SBI1. Subperiod so SBI1. Subperiod returns SBI1 total number of records, where row number less than or equal to total number of records that comes. Okay, minus. Suppose your account number is SBI1, up to till date you are completed 500 transactions you are completed. Till date 500 transactions we are completed. So minus 10. First query returns your total number of transactions 500 returns. 500 transactions minus 500 minus 10, 490. 490 transactions are comes here. So 1 to 490 transactions are removed. What are the remaining? 491 to 500. Those records are displayed. Those are last 5 records, last 10 records. That is called a mini statement. That is. Right, guys. Okay, understand, guys? Any doubts in this query? Tell me, guys. No reply. Yes or no? Understand? Okay, right. So this is one example, guys. Write a query to display middle record from the table. Same logic, guys. Middle record means total number of records minus, this is an employee table, which is a middle record means, I think this is a middle record. Assume that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe this one or this one, middle record. I want to display middle record from the table. How to display? Total number of the cards minus 2 by 2. 14 by 2. 7. First 7 the cards are comes. Okay. 14 by 2 minus 1. First 6 records comes. 14 by 2 means 7. Na? 7 minus 1, 6. Roll and Arjuna are equal to 6 means first 6 records. So first 6 records here minus. What we have? This is the middle record we have. Okay. Minus -1. This is guys. Okay. Middle record from that. Right. Next one is write query to display top 5 salaries. Top 5 records we can display easily where roll number is equal to 5. Top 5 records, but top 5 maximum salaries. Top 5 maximum salaries I want to display. See here. Top 5 maximum salaries. How to display top 5? Top 5 salaries are different. Top 5 salaries, but top 5 maximum salaries I want to display. So, observe this guys. Listen carefully this query. Select salary from EMP. Order by salary descending order. Now salaries comes descending order. Okay. From this salaries, what write down? Where salary greater than or equal to 2950. Now top 5 salaries are comes. Right or wrong? You can apply distinct. Means if any duplicates are there, eliminated. At that time, we write down 2550. These are top 5 salaries. Distinct means duplicates are eliminated. Okay. Right or wrong? But how you know that 5550 employee salaries are fixed? No, salaries are incremented, changed. But I won't display dynamically. I am saying each and every time dynamically. Why, sir? Dynamically means you develop one bank application. The bank application, they generated reports. Once you go to report space, they give different types of options. You observe either Union Bank or State Bank or any net banking or mobile app now. Once you go to the account statements, nowadays they are giving different types of options they are given. Last 5 transactions, last 1 week, last 15 days, last 1 month. Okay, or custom means you can select your date from date to date. They give different types of options they provided. Means once you choose any option, then display the data. The data comes dynamically or static. Dynamic data I want to display because the customers are doing daily different transactions they are doing. Right or wrong? The customers are doing debits, credits, account transfer, something. Once I log into my mobile banking app, once you click on mini statement, up to till date, last 10 transactions I want to display. Today is the 14th November. Up to 14th November, last 5 transactions I want to display. Suppose the date is 25th November. Now I want to display here. Up to 25th November, last 10 transactions. Means your query becomes dynamic or not? Exactly. That's why. Because you are opening that mobile app anytime, any date. Once you click on that option, I want to display exact data. Exact data means you should be right very dynamically, sir. Not static, like greater than 2550. Not like. Right, guys. Or how to display top 5. Again, we are dependent upon role. This is order by salary descending. Salary comes descending order, but Ronam sir comes descending order. Ronam comes sequence of order. No, because first data is selected from database table, sir. First salary is selected. That salary is ordered. The finally, okay, Ronams. Salary from EMP means salary selected, guys. Ronam generated. But you change the order of the salary. That's why according to the salary, Ronams also changed. But now we are depends upon Ronam pseudo column only. Now we are depending upon Ronam pseudo column. But I want to generate Ronam sequence of orders, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How to generate this one? See. Same output, same salary I want to select, but Ronams I want to generate sequence of order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At that time, once you selecting the same output, once you are reselected same output, once you are reselecting same output, then Ronams are generated. How to generate? How to reselect the data? By using select this is the query, sir. Select salary from where I want to select. Generally from class you write on table name, na? From table name data is selected, but instead of table name, what I placed? Select query I placed. So first subquery is executed, subquery returns same output. Right or wrong? 5100, 3100, 3100, 302 or 3075. Just like only it is generated. Right or wrong? Yes. After newly generate this output, Ronam generates sequence of order. Observe this. Once you reselect the salary from the subquery, same salary selected. What is subquery salary? This subquery salary. Same salary again I selected here. After selected salary, again Ronam generates sequence of order. From this output, what to display? First 5 records. Here you can apply distinct also, you can apply, no issue. This is the salary. From the salary, what I want to display? Where row number less than or equal to 5. First 5 records are displayed. First 5 records are displayed. Sir, I want to display only 3100 only one time, sir. I want to use distinct function. I want to use. Yes, we can apply distinct also. First 5 records are displayed. This is the query. These two queries are valid. Or else simple query. You can remove this one also. This is the final query. Okay, guys. Means row number is not required to display, na? Just for understanding purpose only here I am displaying. Or else simply we write down this one only. This is the most important query, guys. To display top 5 salaries. Now this is the dynamic query. This is the dynamic query. So the next one is by using this one also you can display meaning statement also. Bank meaning statement. Just we discuss above one logic. This is another logic. How to display? Select a star from bank underscore transaction. Where? Sorry. Select star from. Yeah. Select start from bank underscore transaction. Where account number equal to SBI 1. Order by T date BA. Where row number less than or equal to 5 or 10. Enough, guys. What is appearance? SBI 1 data comes from bank transaction table. SBI 1 that order by T date listening. T date means transaction date listening order. Means 14th November, 13th November, 12th November. Just like data comes with the listening order. Transaction date. Same data here is selected. From that output, first 5 records I want to display. That is called first 5 records, first 10 records. That is called recent 10 transactions are displayed. This is the use of our subqueries. Understand, huh? So, note to place subqueries in where class, with where class, the type of queries are called as inline views or inline subqueries. This is, guys, inline views or inline subqueries. That is the example. To place subqueries in where class? Sorry. From class. To place a subqueries in from class. The type of queries what you call inline subqueries or inline views. In subqueries introduction we discuss. Subqueries are present from class or instead of table name. Then the type of queries what you call inline subqueries or inline views. Inline subqueries are inline views. We can call. Okay. So this type of queries we are using different situations. This is one of the situation guys. So this type of questions that you are asking, write a query to generate many statement. Write a query to generate top 5 salaries. These are the common intake questions. If we are in freshers or 1 plus or 2 plus, this type of questions are commonly asked. And to display duplicate records, to remove duplicate records. These are the important questions. Okay, right. This is a mini statement. Understand, guys, how to generate bank mini statement. Now this query is a dynamic. Last 1 week means simply write down. You can write the last 1 week. How to write last 1 week? Period between 6 minus 7. Right or not? 6 minus 7 means last 7 days. That is the last 1 week. Last 1 month. 6 minus 30. Last 1 month. Last 6 months. 6 minus 180. Yes. This is guys. Okay. Right. We discussed already by using employee table who are joined last week. We discussed already by using toChar function we discussed. Who are joined last week. Okay. Same will also same like. These are the some examples. Now Friday could display the following format of it. Star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, 5 stars. This is my query, guys. How to generate this output? Guys, try to write Friday query display last 1 week. Last 1 week. Last 15 days. Last 1 month. And last 6 months. Last 1 year. Try to generate this type of reports, guys. Just you create one bank transaction table. What it contains? Transaction number, account number, transaction date, transaction type, transaction amount. Okay, guys. This is. Okay, guys, this is the example. Fine. So, but how to generate this state? How to generate this output? In C language, if you want to write if you want to generate this type of format output, you write down nested loops. Two loops are required. But here, simply we write down. So, I remember RPAD. RPAD of Rama, comma, 10, comma, star. Rama 4 characters, 10 minus 4, 6 displays, right side stars. Right or not? Right now? Now, in place Rama, I place star. Display stars displays. How will it displays? From employee table, I am not selecting any data, sir. First 5 records. First row name is right now how much? 1. First row name is 1 here. Star 1 star. Only 1 star is there. Okay. One star displays. Next time row name is 2. Up to 5 times displays now. Next row name is 2. Star comma 2 comma star. How many stars are there? 1 star is there. Right now row name is right how much? 2. 2 minus 1? 1. 1 extra star displays here. Next row name is 3. Star 3 star. Row name is 3, but here only 1 star is there. 1 star displays. But 3 minus 1 star means 2. 2 star displays right side because R can. See, if you confuse it, just I give different symbol. Okay, when row name is 5, star displays 1 time. So 5 minus 1, 4. 4 displays right side hash. But instead of hash, what I am displaying? Again star. Instead of hash, here I am displaying star only. This is the example. Okay, now? This is the logic. This is for understanding purpose only. Here I write down. Okay, guys. Before that, I copy this one also for recollecting RPAD. Okay, guys. So these are the examples by using this row num pseudo column, guys. Next one is next pseudo columns are row num row ID. Next one is label pseudo column. What is the meaning of label? It returns labels of employees. What are the labels of employees? If you take company organization, CEO, managing directors, managers, deputy managers, project managers, team leaders, just like some hierarchy. So I want to select one employee, that employee label I want to display. Suppose I selected a CEO employee name, label 1. Under CEO, managing directors are there. So label 2. I want to display that labels of the employees. How to generate these labels? Based on this hierarchical, based on the hierarchical output now, we can generate labels. How to generate labels? What is the meaning of hierarchical structure? Okay, how to generate these labels? The coming session we discuss, guys. Okay, fine. Guys, any doubts in the today's session? Right. Exactly, Pushpesh. Where clause is not possible. Where clause only select statement is possible. EMP dot star. Where clause syntax is different, no? In where clause, you should write the condition only. In between conditions means operand, operator, operand. You should be used. Okay. Right. Any doubts, guys? So are you practicing queries? Do the practice, guys. These are important. Okay. Fine.
Recording stopped.